Creating your first funnel. From the dashboard, go across to Marketing Funnels. If you haven't created any funnels yet, you'll have the option to create your first funnel by clicking Create Funnel. If you've already created a funnel, you'll have the option down here to also create a funnel. Any funnels you create will show in this dashboard. To create your first funnel, simply click Create Funnel, either here or here. Let's click Create New Funnel. This will now give you the option to create two types of funnel. One is a lead magnet. These are usually pages that people can go through to receive things like free ebooks or offers. You can even use it to send automated emails out to your customers as well. The second type is a video series funnel. The video series funnel allow prospects through a series of free videos, i.e. video 1 on day 1, video 2 on day 2, and so on. Build trust and anticipation with your prospects over a few days and pitch your paid courses on the last day of the video. The same would apply for lead magnets. The last day is the irresistible offer for them sharing their email and getting them into your courses or your membership site. This is our first step to creating a funnel. Please see the support documentation on the two different types of funnel, lead magnet and video series funnel. We also have another funnel type that's not mentioned here, which is trigger funnels, which sends emails out to people and there's no design required.